Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethu Zikode. Zikode. It's a 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Talk to me.
Balanduli bamabhaniya. Ngihappy. Siyaphambili. I-season mayiqala sithe re tla ithoma re ifethi. Njengoba kunjena manje sibhizi ngalokho. Into engayisho umlayizanyana omncane nje we-second. Ngicela i-PSL ithathe amathikithi iwabuyisele ku-Ticket Pro. Lento yen my ticket iyasilimaza. Some people they can't buy tickets online. Isikole siyangokufana. Kubhlungu. Ukumanje siyakudabi. Some people they don't have tickets because tickets they were selling online. Please siyacela to avoid that stampede. At the end of the day abantu basazolimala. What happened lento yenzeke eLees Park ile izokwenzeka namanje. Lewe kwenzeka ngakhona. Bengicela ku PSL please siyacela nawe chairman nethimba lakho nisizwele siyanicela. Benitry nani ukuthi avoid ezinye ndoda manje siyacela. Let's go back to Ticket Pro. Sizoba happy kakhulu.
And then Pagani obviously is 3-0. Ucanga ukuthi ayithatha le league.
Njengoba ngishilo i-football le and manje ngoko njoba senze kanje the draw that we got Richards Bay asikalahli ithemba sisasethembeni we will fight until the end. I-league siyayifuna sithanda singathandi okusalayo iphupho lethu lizofezeka.
But iphupho lethu lizofezeka Pagani. So who stood out for you today?
Hey, those my boys, all of them, I can take all of them as men of the match.
Maybe let's pick two Pagani and tell me
let
why.
Me get two, okay. I'll take Mfukeng and Apolis to be my men of the match. Yes.
What did Mfukeng do today? Because some people are saying he was very wasteful in the middle of the park. Yes, he even missed the penalty.
No, a penalty is next. A penalty, anyone can miss the penalty. Ungamjudge because into esengqondweni yakhe and ngeke umcoach uthi shaya penalty kuphi kanjani. Into enzekile singakhuluma sabantu ngesimonibola ngokufana. The boy no police no Sibilebele namhlanje they were not running. Bebadlala nje simple football. They were dealing with passes. Even namanje ubheke uthi coach ethenzeni ithathe in the way ngakhona iyazi kunabantu bayifuna attacking iya attack. Inabantu manje kumanje sekona fi changeile ya substitute yathatha yafaku uMaster Chef yafaku uTito yenza ikhula up game yaba down game ukuthi everyone are relax angasagijima yayibona. So mina that's why ngithi Apolis and Mfukeng I will give them.
So Pagani, next game Kaizer Chiefs Soweto Derby on a Sunday. Score prediction.
Job ngitena ngale 3 ngathi ngana I will add one more. I will go for 4. I'll go for 4.
Hola Pagani.
They're just playing now. Bahlale kuphi? Badlala number 3. Hayi la akunala bazosondela khona. Ku number 2 they must forget. Bangasondeli lapha. Bathi mabadlala badlala number 3 until is illeague iphela.
Thanks Pagani. Abopa.